The Chambers article discusses how the focus of mapping participation has switched from methods to behaviors and attitudes. Like most other things, participatory mapping has its pros and cons. Members of the community can offer valuable insight while mapping. It is fun, fulfilling, easily facilitated, promotes a sense of pride, and has many uses in the community, including, but not limited to, social mapping, determining the location of people with health concerns, showing who goes where and with what purpose, education, pinpointing areas of concern when dealing with water sanitation, preventing crime by targeting high-risk areas, correcting census data, assisting in soil and water conservation. Unfortunately, participatory mapping can also have unintended effects. Locals may feel obligated to help with mapping instead of earning their living, can potentially and inadvertently put themselves in danger with community or family members, or map the same high-interest area multiple times, while other areas are not mapped at all. Even students at the elementary level can benefit from primitive participatory mapping. It can be argued that, much like maps created by the Locals in Chambers article, maps created by the students might be of higher value and information than those created by the teacher. Since the facilitator has great impact over the experience of the participant, it is important to be encouraging when practicing mapping with others. Both citizen scientists and trained scientists have to work collaboratively to make progress while mapping. Sometimes we take our freedom of choice for granted. We can choose to participate in mapping activities in our communities. However, not everyone has that luxury. Unfortunately, maps can also be used to abuse power. The introduction of technology to mapping is similar to the advancement from ground to paper maps. Digital maps, for example, can only be manipulated by those who know and have access to the programs. Maps can also be used to increase the awareness of threats to conservation in areas otherwise taken for granted. For example, a new housing complex created in a forgotten field may cause concern amongst residents about habitat destruction in that area or overcrowding in the area schools. The important thing to remember is that maps can make us feel a strong connection to things in our communities that are important to us, be it landmarks, plants, animals, or people. We must remember that two-dimensional maps only tell part of a three-dimensional story.